You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down.
Hey everybody, my name is Danielle Wheeler and welcome to my YouTube channel, Willing Towards Success. The topic for today is confidence. In order to succeed in life, you need the confidence to overcome your fears, and that starts by believing in yourself. My way of feeling confident is strutting down the street in my heels. I feel so powerful, like I can do anything, like seriously. When I was younger, I modeled, so I was in a lot of fashion shows, so I got to wear a lot of designer clothing, I got to travel. It was just the best time ever. And you can experience that feeling too. Like, I want you ladies to find that thing that makes you feel unstoppable. Like you can conquer the world. And it can be as simple as putting on your favorite t-shirt, getting your hair and nails done, or listening to your favorite music. And my favorite song that gets me feeling confident and unstoppable is Beautiful by Music Soul Child. Like, oh, that song just gets me in the mood. Look at me. I am sick. I'm breaking out uncontrollably. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I haven't been able to put on my makeup. It's just acne central over here. But that does not stop me from getting in front of this camera to deliver the best possible message to you all. So I want to close this video by leaving you ladies with this message. You're beautiful, you're strong, you're intelligent, and so much more. So I hope you ladies found this video as helpful as I did, and thank you all for tuning in. Bye.